11 plants that grow in water. 1. Dracaena brownie lucky bamboo. Dracaena brownie is a kind of shrub that belongs to the Asparagaceae family of plants. 2. Epipremnum aureum devil's ivy. Epipremnum aureum, commonly called devil's ivy, is a beautiful climbing plant that can reach 20 meters in length. This plant can survive for many years if you take the proper care. 3. Spathiphyllum peace lily. Spathiphyllum is composed of a series of medium-sized leaves with a bright, deep green color. The flowers are produced in an inflorescence 10 to 30 centimeters long and white, yellow, or greenish. This plant can be grown in water, and the care is more or less the same as if it were cultivated in substrate. 4. Philodendron scandens heartleaf philodendron source. The philodendron scandens, or climbing philodendron, is native to Brazil and Colombia. The climbing philodendron has heart-shaped leaves, about 10 centimeters long, bright green, and short petioles. 5. Syngonium. Syngonium is a resistant houseplant and ideal for those who are beginning to become fond of growing indoor plants. It is a plant that grows well indoors. In addition, it can also be considered as an ornamental plant. 6. Plectranthus verticillata Swedish ivy. The Plectranthus verticillata, or money plant, is a perennial species, characterized by reaching about 50 centimeters in height by having fibrous roots, succulent branches, and herbaceous bearing. For this plant to grow healthily, it must not receive direct sunlight. 7. Aglaonema Chinese evergreens. Aglaonema is a flowering plant belonging to the Araceae family, which is native to southwestern Asia's humid rainforests from Bangladesh to the Philippines and North and South China. This is a perfect plant to have inside the house since it does not require great care. 8. Eichhornia crassipes common water hyacinth. The leaves are elongated, bright green, and heart-shaped. The water hyacinth has very long black roots and hardly any stem. This plant requires good lighting, so you should place it in a well-lit place or where it receives a few hours of direct sunlight. 9. Monstera Swiss cheese plant. The Adam's rib, or monstera, is a plant widely used for interior decoration. Leaves can be up to 45 centimeters in length. They are very beautiful. It can be grown in a pot throughout their life. 10. Tradescantiatus plant is very easy to root in water. You just have to cut a piece of about 10 centimeters of stem and submerge in a glass of water.